The shift to the COVID response was pretty much overnight. Everyone was running 100 miles an hour trying to understand where we put the data, what we do with it, what's the tools and technologies, the techniques we can use to actually mine that data to understand what it's telling us. One of the first systems we actually built was a system around PPE, so that we could manage the supply and demand of PPE in a better way. The government have been making all their decisions based on data. The dashboards were updated every 30 minutes and it would give them real-time views to what was happening. So we've got about 6 million customers that demand our services and I think we've delivered well over COVID.
My name's Shona Moyes. I live in Curry in Edinburgh. My family consists of my husband, he's a bit older than I am, he's 75, and my disabled son, whose name is Gregor, and he's 20 now. My son doesn't actually have a formal diagnosis. His learning, his understanding and his emotions are very much probably age 3. I had a huge fear about what would happen if something happened to me. I did take additional measures. I felt, if there was any shopping to be done, I did all of that and they stayed at home.
As we're starting to vaccinate, and particularly those that we'd vaccinated through the vaccination system that we built on the ServiceNow technology, to really shape how we've actually tackled the vaccination part of the crisis.
Well, when my husband got vaccinated, it was there was excitement there, relief, but also huge interest for me. I made him come home and give me every infinite detail of what happened. When I was vaccinated, I thought it was all very slick, very professional, very smooth. So that gave me the confidence to be able to prepare my son for his vaccination. Gregor was able to get vaccinated with the group that came under the learning disability group, which was earlier than his age cohort.
The data's driven a lot of the agenda and it certainly has driven the policies. I think we've now got something that's great and it's going to be really valuable as an asset for the future. Very much look at the NHS becoming a data-driven organisation. The data should be telling us what we should be doing, what we should be prioritising, and definitely we weren't that type of organisation 14 months ago.